Sapphire is September's birthstone. It is also the 5th and 45th anniversary gemstone. Sapphires are of the mineral corundum, our planet's second hardest substance. There are two categories of sapphires, natural and synthetic. Synthetic sapphires are created in a laboratory and should never be used in fine jewelry. But natural sapphires are a gift from Mother Earth. You will find these rare and exotic natural gemstones at Diamondère.com. Sapphires can come in salmon, pink, purple, orange, yellow, green, black, and even white. These are called fancy sapphires. Sapphires in beautiful shades of blue are most desirable. Blackish and grayish come from Africa. Greenish comes from Australia. Pastel come from Sri Lanka. Cornflower mostly comes from Sri Lanka. And royal blue sapphires are mined in Madagascar and Kanchanaburi in Thailand. Cornflower and royal blue, the two most beautiful blue sapphire colors, are Diamondère's standard offerings. A sapphire's color should be evaluated in natural sunlight and never under a retailer's lighting. Natural sapphires can be heated or unheated. Unheated sapphires are rare. While they may be procured on demand, they are not typically used for fine jewelry. Heated sapphires, on the other hand, are sold by top jewelers such as Diamondère and made into heirlooms. When intense heat is applied to a sapphire, the color deepens, the clarity intensifies, and the silk-like inclusions begin to disappear. In other words, that fire awakens the life within the stone. Like diamonds, sapphire pricing is based on the following parameters: color and luster, the most important, carat weight, clarity, and cut. There is no standardized grading system for sapphires like there is with diamonds, so Diamondère has developed its own exclusive system to distinguish various natural sapphire qualities. Natural AAA is a lesser grade that we do not recommend buying. Natural AAA are the top 20% to 30% of natural sapphires available. They are well cut, exhibit medium luster and color, and are moderately to slightly included. They are typically used in fine jewelry by leading independent family jewelers. Natural AAA are the top 10% of sapphires available. They are brilliantly cut, exhibit a signature medium blue color, high luster, and have no inclusions visible to the naked eye. They are typically used by Fifth Avenue or Rodeo Drive jewelers. You can further request us for investor-grade heirloom sapphires ranging from $10,000 to $5 million. Find your top-quality natural sapphires at Diamondère.com.